walking. Look, she has the mom walk. Yeah, what is that? She walks like my mom.
Good morning guys, good morning. Guys, andito, kumakain kami ng breakfast ulit. Date food dito sa kain ng breakfast guys. Si Johanna, Filipino breakfast, tapos si Vicky, American breakfast siguro. Tsaka si Denise, Filipino breakfast as always. Okay guys.
Hi, I'm Jolita and she's Zanita and we're the Lolitas and she's Vikita. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the vlog today apparently because we're gonna do island hopping, and my parents have been here like 3 times already and they have done island hopping, so they don't want to. So it's just gonna be me and my cousins. Guess who's the vlogger today? Guess who's the vloggers today?
Damn! Huh? Oh my gosh, GoPro. We don't even need the... Okay, let's go.
This is waterproof.
Yeah,
What about the...
Nora?
Okay guys, so Denise, who are you?
Hi, I'm Denise, and... Yeah, I'm Denise.
Bruh.
Hi, Guard. I'm the elder one.
Exactly. So we have the oldest one.
Where's the...
Here.
No, where's
The oldest
Where's
one.
the key card?
I have it. Wait. Let me double check. Guys, we're not good at this.
Okay,
Vlog.
so we gotta check if she has the card.
Because we have locked ourselves out. Like.
Because if she doesn't, we're going to be
I have
locked
it.
out. Okay. Going to be going now. Oh my god, I have so many things with me. Okay. One last thing before we leave. What can you say to this door?
It's so island.
Okay.
Yeah. Is my makeup good, guys? Whatever.
Let's go.
Are we gonna go now?
Yeah. We're gonna
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So we're on our way to where? So
The island hopping station.
yeah, the island hopping station. The island hopping station. And you know what this girl said?
We have to go snorkeling and we can't say no.
Okay, so that's
Traumatized from the last video.
I was literally traumatized from the last video. The last time we went snorkeling, I was about to cry. I was so
No,
scared.
because we were just laughing all the time. Like we kept laughing, and I got so much like water.
She was laughing and I was panicking.
Hi, guys, say hi for the other video. Hi. Yeah. So guys, we're just going now, and now we're gonna listen to music. So we'll be back. Yeah, at the beach. No, at the station. I don't know. Say bye, Denise. Do the like that.
Hi guys. Tawag dito, napaka-calm ng tubig ngayon. Ayan. Hindi siya masyadong maalon. Kaya maganda siyang i-travel ngayon. Bukas ang aming alis. Guys, dito sana maganda rin yung tawag dito, yung panahon bukas para hindi siya maalon kagaya nung papunta namin dito, sobrang alon. Ayan guys, so ganda. Ay, may parating na boat. Galing yan ng Hagnaya. Ganyan din yung sinakyan namin papunta dito. Sobrang alon noong pumunta kami dito. Pero kasi malaki siya, hindi mo masyadong nararamdaman yung uga ng tawag dito ng tubig ay ng dagat. Pero mararamdaman mo pa rin, pero hindi masyado kagaya nung pagsasakay ka ng halimbawa yung mga supercat o ganun. Pag supercat kasi talaga mararamdaman mo talaga ang pagtaas panaog ng ng boat. Okay, so bago siyang island shipping. Ito tayo. Ito yung Anika Beach. Yan guys. Tapos may nakalagay dito, beware of jellyfish. Yung mga bata nag-island hopping sila. Kami hindi na. Kasi napuntahan na namin 2 beses na kami nakapunta dito, pangatlo na to. Kaya nagawa na namin yon. Yung mga bata na lang hindi pa nila nagagawa yung mga activities na yon. Ayan guys, dito lang muna kami, relax lang. Tsaka ayan yung panahon. Siguro uulan, medyo madilim. Uulan siguro guys, medyo madilim. Okay guys, mamaya na lang ulit.
And no actual way we're actually going snorkeling. Wait. I am not letting this happen.
Show the snorkeling.
Boom. What was that?
Pwede mamaya pagkatapos yung bayad.
We're actually gonna die. I'm not kidding.
Anyway,
I'm so scared.
Okay, let's do a fit check.
Go. Okay. Oh my god.
Stop. Can we put it in the bag? Stop. No.
No, it's okay. I'll just.
Okay. No way. She actually got it. Oh my god. No way she actually got it, guys.
What can you say about at the Vicky
I'm
forcing
gonna
us
die, bro.
I can't believe this girl. This is literally child abuse. Like, I cannot accept that we're going snorkeling again. The last time we went snorkeling, you saw me literally dying.
No, because we
I
were
was dying.
We were laughing.
I was crying.
You were like, no, cause oh my god. I don't know.
Oh, this is the court. Hi, Kuya. So, yeah. Bye. This is the entrance. Here is what we have. Bayan Santa Fe. I don't know what that is. Okay, so here we have the entrance. So we're going to be buying snacks first before heading, like, where are we going again?
What?
Where are we going?
Serious mom. She's our mom for today.
She's our mom. Look at her.
Look at our mom. She's just walking. Look, she has a mom walk.
Yeah, what is that?
She walks like my mom. Hi.
We're going there.
Where?
Can you grab this too?
Oh my god, we're supposed to go there.
Oh my god.
No, it's okay.
No, I'm scared.
What if I lose them?
Let's
We're gonna
just
take them off.
I'm scared.
Oh my god. Okay, guys. So she's just dramatic.
Oh my god, ew.
So we're going to our captain. Stop! I don't like this.
Stop, I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Stop. What? I'm scared.
Do you have your flip off?
Stop. I'm scared.
Okay, I can't see anything.
Hold it.
Wait! Wait! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait! Anika! Wait! Hold! Wait! I'm gonna hold you. Okay. And then, salamat, kuya. Wait, let me. Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh my god! Stop! I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared. I'm actually
so
scared.
dramatic.
Wait, can you hold my hand? Oh my toes. Oh,
It's okay. It hurts.
yeah. Oh god, I'm gonna die, bro. Oh my god, it's so deep. My mommy. Drop my
Mommy! No, we're not. We're already struggling here.
first.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, go.
Oh my god.
Mommy, can you hold it?
God.
I need my mommy. I need my mommy.
Look what I'm putting up with.
Oh. Mommy.
Guys,
Take the camera.
can you hold me?
Yeah. Always, mommy. We just walked here.
Guys, we're that.
For what?
We're now.
The life jacket.
Now?
Love the life jacket.
The life jacket.
That's gonna ruin the outfit.
Wait, can you guys move?
Oh my god.
What? What? Hi guys! Denise! Hi! Guys, we're about to go snorkeling and I swear I'm so scared.
down there.
No! Look down! I'm gonna steer short or something! I hold you.
Yeah. Hawakan ikaw ni Ate Vicky.
If I look and I get wala man mga extension.
Maran is like there's lots down there. Just look. Now.
Huh?
There's lots of fishes. Just look.
Wait.
Don't drop it.
Oh yeah.
What's happening? I miss you, mommy. Hey guys, we're done snorkeling. Is my mascara still here? Yeah.
Guys, we just arrived at Virgin Island.
Is this Virgin Island?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so now we're at Virgin Island and look how pretty it is.
Hi guys. We're here at the Virgin Island. We're about to go to pay.
I put on shorts because I'm scared some pedophiles is gonna look at me.
This is the way. It will be so scary here if it's sunrise.
My feet hurt from the sand, bro.
Denise.
Look at her. She's just
here for the vibes.
yeah, she's just here for the pictures. And then when she's done taking pictures,
Wow, look
Mine
at
too!
everyone. Oh my god.
Look at this. We're in the end of
my
the
gosh,
entrance. And look at this view. This is absolutely beautiful. This is
oh my god, my
magnificent.
feet hurt so bad.
This place reminds me of folklore. This is really gorgeous. Never seen a place so magnificent before. Look at that.
What time is it?
This place gives distinct.
Oh my god, my feet,
This
like it's not
gives
even funny.
pace.
They're red. They're
Look at the cactuses. I wanna smash my head on a cactus.
Is this
Oh
cactus?
look, there's names. That's so
this, like,
cool. There's
never
names.
seen
Look, N and R. Can we carve our names here?
Oh my god, yes, can we do
Stop,
that?
look at that. Joyce. Oh my goodness. We can carve our names here. That's absolutely amazing.
I want to carve our names.
Latte
carve, like-
Karya.
VDG. Oh!
Yeah.
VGD. The what?
VGD.
VJD. VJD. No. G. Oh, G.
Fun and loving. There's jellyfishes here?
Who's that?
The
What? There's
I don't know.
jellyfishes?
Yeah, there's jellyfishes here.
I'm scared now.
Oh my goodness! Look at that! Oh my god, 3 for us! 3 for us! Legit 3 for us, guys. Amazing. Oh yeah! We could have read the book there! And didn't bring my book. I'm so sad. Look at this place, guys. The breakfast. I was enchanted to meet you. Oh my god, look, there's that thing. Look at the floor.
Oh my god.
Seashells.
That's the ground, Denise, not the floor.
Look at that.
So pretty.
I absolutely know.
Okay, guys, so we're playing volleyball. Denise. Go, quickly, Okay guys, that went so bad. It's embarrassing. Okay guys, we found fishes. So we're gonna show you them. And at the Vicky's, sit in the water. And it's kind of cold, not gonna lie. But yeah. And we took some pictures. Ow! We took some pictures as well. But yeah. So guys, but it's so rocky here. Like, that's one thing I do not like. That's so. Let's try again. Okay, retry. 1, 2, and 3. So bad! Please. On the water. Okay, I'm gonna wave on the water. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys! Welcome back! Ito pa rin tayo sa Bantayan. Andito naman tayo sa katabing resort na tinitira namin sa Anika. Mayroong maliit na resort dito na ang pangalan ay Indai Resort. Meron silang restaurant na ito yung kanilang mga dessert, ito yung kanilang mga ayan. Ito yung kanilang mga pagkain. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung restaurant nila. Ayan guys. Simple lang pero malinis siya. Napaka-cozy yung ano, ito din dito guys. So, ganito yung tsura. Ayan. Ayan guys. Wala tayong dalang pera kasi akala namin magsasunbathing o maliligo lang kami sa dagat. Kaso walang tubig yung dagat, ay tawag dito low tide ngayon. Kaya hindi muna kami maliligo, mamaya na lang. Tapos ang dala kong pera is 500 lang, wala kaming pambayad. Meron silang adobo, good for two, popular Philippine cuisine that involves meat, simmered and imported seasoning. Toyo lang yan guys. Yun lang guys, wala silang ano, yun lang ang order muna namin. Kasi para nakakauhaw. Ganda guys. Guys, ito yung restaurant. Mamayang gabi dito kami kakain. Ito yung restaurant. Ang pangalan ay Indai. Indai Restaurant. Ang ganda ng toilet nila guys. Ay, mamaya ipapakita ko yung toilet nila, maganda. Tapos, ito yung kanilang pizza. Pag gusto mo mag-ano, dyan yung kanilang pizza, ano. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang lugar. Lapit lang sila sa meron din silang room guys, pwedeng tumira dito. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, meron silang Buddha, love, do not sit. Ayan, mayroong ganda. Ito smoke area only. Okay guys, ayan, ganda. Ito yung kanilang pizza, ano, pwede silang magluto ng pizza dyan. Yan guys. Ang ganda ng ano, lugar. And the restaurant. Okay guys, ito naman yung Anika. Hindi kuya, nagbebenta ng mga ano guys, nagbebenta ng mga alahas kasi wala tayong pera. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan, ito yung Anika ngayon. Ganda ng panahon ngayon guys, napaka-calm ng tubig at saka meron nag-share ng drone. Ayan. Ito guys, oh. Ito guys, yung Anika Hotel. Ang ganda. Napakalinis. Sobrang linis talaga. Napakaganda. Talaga well maintained talaga sila guys. Ayan o. Lagi silang walis ng walis. Good afternoon, sir. Ayan, guys. Ito. Ayan, guys, maligo tayo sa pool. Ito yung restaurant nila guys. Ito naman yung pool. Ayan. Dito tayo nakatira. Diyan tayo maliligo guys. Hi guys, ang sarap ng tubig. So nice. Yeah. Okay guys, mamaya ulit. Bye. Hi guys, ito na tapos na tayo maligo. Wala tayong cash. Kasi mostly ng mga restaurant dito, puro cash ang bayad.
Hindi ba kayo magpapalong?
Ha?
Hindi ba kayo magpunta ng Bantayan Island?
Pwede lang? Ay, tapos na.
Tapos na kayo?
Oo, ngayon yung mga bata, tapos na sila. Yan. Yung lugar. Yan. Nakasakay tayo sa tricycle. Isang bayad pala sa tricycle. 30 pesos per head. At sasakay kayo sa tricycle. 30 pesos per head. Kaya ano kami, bibili kami na ay kukuha kami ng pera guys, wala kami cash. Okay guys, maya ulit. Guys, welcome back. Okay guys, andito tayo. Magdi-drinks lang tayo. Andito tayo sa Black Pearl Restaurant. Guys, magta-try tayo sa kanilang pizza or pasta. Ano lang, kasi kakain din kami mamaya kasama yung mga bata na maliligo lang sila ng swimming pool. Ito guys yung itsura dito. Ayan. Ito yung Black Pearl. Ito yung bar nila. Napaka-cozy ng kanilang lugar. Pahangin-hangin pa guys. Talaga. Ganda ng ano. Ayan. Ayan. Okay guys. Mamaya ulit. Taro milk tea. Tapos nag-order ako ng pasta. Share lang kami dalawa ni Yuan. Kasi mamaya kakain kami kasama ng mga bata. Nakakagutom din kami nag-lunch eh. Kaya kakain kami ngayon. Nang pasta lang, share lang kami. Siguro hindi naman parang tawag dito appetizer lang. Sayang, malaki kasi yung pizza nila. Maganda yung kanilang pizza. May sarili talaga silang lutuan ng pizza. Talaga masarap siguro yung pizza nila kasi silang gumagawa. At saka sila din gumagawa ng kanilang sarili nilang tawag dito pasta. Kaya siguro masarap. Tingnan natin mamaya guys. Mayroon tayong ang ganda. Smells good guys. Truffle pasta with crackers. Truffle crackers. Good taste guys. Sarap guys. It's okay. Sorry guys. Kita nyo yun? Ano yun guys? Fiesta dito sa Santa Fe Bantayan guys. Kaya yan, ano. Pag nagkaganon, ramdam mo sa dibdib talaga. Fiesta, magpe-fiesta pala dito, kaya ganun. Guys, mabuti mayroon tayong bagong nakita ngayon. Nakasakay tayo sa tawag dito e-bike.
Hi, y'all. This is the last stop and then we're going home finally because I'm very tired.
Hope there's gonna be good food. I just want good food.
I don't care.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna eat now and show you guys when we eat. Denise, say bye.
Bye.
We're here now.
Hi guys, we're here now. I'm so hungry. Are you hungry?
No, I'm just tired. I miss
Same. I've been tired since yesterday, bro.
since yesterday.
Are you not gonna swim in the pool?
I am. That's how I get my energy up. You're still gonna swim in the pool? Or maybe I don't know.
Can I sleep when you guys swim?
No.
Fuck.
Should I do my Swedish accent?
You should.
Okay, guys. So we got the fries, and we had the scallops, and the after Ricky has her what's it called now again?
Blue Lagoon.
Blue Lagoon mocktail, and then Denise is just munching on all the scallops.
Damn, the accent though.
Do you guys like my accent?
Yeah.
No, it's so good. Okay, guys, bye. I'm gonna eat. We got the pizza. It looks very red. Guys, it's very red. Wait, did they put? Wait, what did we get?
All of these.
Hawaii ham. Did they put ketchup on?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we came back for like an hour ago and we went to the pool, but I think this is all we're gonna vlog today because I'm very tired and we're all very tired, and now they're gonna ride a bike. So I guess my mom is gonna be the one vlogging after this clip or something, but yeah. Bye. Wait, let me make me sound like my mom. Bye guys, see you in the next video. I don't know. Bye.
The food in Anika. Yeah, well, yeah, I remember.
Oh yeah?
This changed, maybe.
Guys, ayan na. Ang pizza, masarap daw itong pizza na
And
to.
since they had
Maybe we can ask them to play. No. Hindi na nila kayang ubusin.